Crip, what the fuck are you doing in Cave City? This shit's like the hood times 10, bro. We gotta get the fuck out of here. What happened to you?
Bro, you don't have any clue. He's a fucking white asshole. He showed me my fucking dick, bro.
Dude, is that the annoying blue dickhead that's been causing shit around this place? Bro, we've been spotted by him. We have to rap battle him to get away from him, man. We have to fucking rap battle him. You don't